Hi everyone, my name is Pamela and I've been watching a lot of Lead Farmer 73. I've been encouraged to start planting a garden. I have a good sized patio here, so today I went ahead and got some things in the soil. I have round tomatoes here, some big beef that started. I've got some cayenne pepper. I got a few bit of herbs, some cilantro, some basil, and some oregano. I planted some spinach, some green beans, some parsley. I have some lettuce plant. These are Roman tomatoes, or they're a little bit smaller tomatoes, kind of Juliet tomatoes, and watermelon. I've got I'm using a wicking system, self-watering system with most of them in the 5-gallon containers, and using just a bedpan for the spinach and the lettuce. So I'm excited. I got started and just wanted to show you guys how easy it can be. I've got this set up on milk crates, and I went to my local Home Depot and got some 2x4s this morning and laid them across because I wanted it elevated on my back patio, and it's all a go. I got some more vegetables. I've got a few more 5-gallon containers. I just got to get some more potting soil, and I'll get that from my there's a great feed and seed store here in Savannah where I'm at, Economy Feed and Seed. They are so helpful, so knowledgeable, and I got 50-pound bag of potting soil that's really a good mix. It's nice and moist. There were some gardeners that were there that live out in the country, and they were getting tons of it. Great price, 50-pound bag for a little over $9, so that was great. So I'm just excited. This coming weekend I'll get some more potting soil from Economy Feed and Seed, and I will plant the rest of my seeds and my herbs. I've got some more stuff like some dill and thyme that I want to plant. I've got more vegetables, and I'm actually going to attempt to do a lemon tree and some plums. I'm going to make an attempt at it. But again, thanks for the encouragement, Lead Farmer 73. It's a go. Planting food for me and my family. All right. So I'm so excited. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.